Hey, what's up guys? So in this video, we will see how to use keyboard clipboard on the Oppo A5x. Now to do that, first of all, just open the keyboard on your smartphone, then tap on settings. From here, just tap on clipboard, and from here, just enable this toggle, and it will show the recently copied text and images in the suggestion bar on your keyboard. And also enable this option. And by enabling this option, items such as addresses and phone numbers will be shown within the recently copied text. And finally, you can either enable or disable this option. If you enable this option, recently captured screenshots will be saved in your clipboard. Now, after you enable this option, you will be able to use Clipboard on your smartphone. Now, let's go to the home screen and let's copy a text. For an example, I will copy this text. Now just select the text and tap on copy. And once you do that, the selected text will be copied to your clipboard. Now to find the clipboard on your smartphone, just open the keyboard. And as you can see, the text is shown in the suggestion bar on your keyboard. Now if you want to open the clipboard on your keyboard, just tap on the clipboard icon on your keyboard. But if you cannot find the clipboard icon on your keyboard, just tap on the four icons over here, then drag the clipboard icon to the suggestion bar on your keyboard. Then tap on the back button. And from here, if you tap on the clipboard icon, you will find the recently copied text in your keyboard. Just like that. And this is how you can use keyboard clipboard on the Oppo A5x. Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. Thank you for watching.